Alright, welcome to 7628. Alright, bathroom. Now what's great about this bathroom that I like is this night light, because every time that we've opened the door before at nighttime when you got to go to the bathroom, you blind everyone or wake everybody up in the bathroom, so this night light is quite nice. AC temperature here on the side. We'll go a little lower because I like it cold. Ooh, robes. Didn't expect that. Anything on the robe? Just a Disney logo, no Wish. A nice hanging closet for your hanging clothes. Safe storage for your smaller items, t-shirts, stuff like that. And we'll just finish it out with another hanging closet for more dresses or whatever you decide to hang. Again, move on to the second side, and this is a little bit wider. Before, this seems to be longer than it was before. So we're closer to the bed over here. Right? I like the lighted mirror, LED lights. The bathroom, this is nice. Now, I didn't mind this circular bathroom before they had with the rain shower, but this is quite fancy. Kind of reminds you of the Riviera look. Very white. Oops. Oh, goes either way. That's cool. Sink. All your soaps are in there. And body lotion. So we're gonna back out. Alright. Bedroom here. Now they put the TV on the wall versus over there. I did kind of like it over there. Once you shut it, the kids could watch TV, cartoons, whatever, and you could be quiet over here. But now this is the only option you got for TV. But otherwise, other folks can say they don't use TV too much because they look at their iPads, all that kind of stuff. But this is the way it's set up now. We have a, looks like, yeah, Cinderella room with the castle in the background, so that's really cool. We have, of course, lights here. Plug and USB-A plugs right there. Anything in here? Oh. Again, great storage underneath the bed for your luggage once you get that. This is different. This corner shelving here is different. You can put a lot more stuff there, which is nice. Move along to the main part. Again, more USB. Ooh! There you go, guys. USB-C-A. That's cool. I didn't know they had that here. And I'm sorry, USB-C, USB-C-A. That's cool to have that here because we're all going to that now, right? That is cool. More Cinderella. Lights. Good for, now we got more shelving, more storage, more things you want. Your hair dryer. Oh, and then everyone talks about this cooler or refrigerator drawer setup. Past your door if you have other company. Outside deck we'll see in a second. Murphy bed, so that comes down right there, or you can pop this one down, or you can do both for your bigger family. Nice little table here that pulls out. And this is a pull-out couch also. They'll set it up for you. So a lot of different options. Our kids do the bottom here to make this a bunk. So the top and the bottom, and we don't really use the Murphy bed. All right, let's take a look at the balcony. All right, balcony time. And we are still at port. And we do have a bump out, so this is a bigger space than normal. You can tell around the boat. We are right in the middle of the bump up, what it looks like. So 7628. This is about, I could probably lay down right here. I still have plenty of room. So. All right, 7628. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll do a 360 of it right now, a little better, and we'll call that a day. See you on the cruise.